talk good about me, then I'll be there. When they talk bad about me, I'll still be there. If they pay attention to me, then I'll be there. When they ignore me, I'll still be there. If they support me, then I'll be there. When they don't support me, I'll still be there. If they believe in me, then I'll be there. When they doubt me, I'll still be there. If they trust me, then I'll be there. When they mistrust me, I'll still be there. If they stand by me, then I'll be there. When they turn away, I'll still be there. If they need me, then I'll be there. When they don't need me, I'll still be there. If they love me, then I'll be there. When they hate me, I'll still be there. No matter what, I'm going to keep on showing back up for righteousness and justice, unwavering and steadfast, cause that's what audacious, unassailable persistence looks like.
Then he spoke a parable to them, that men always ought to pray and not lose heart, saying, There was in a certain city a judge who did not fear God nor regard man. Now there was a widow in that city, and she came to him, saying, Get justice for me from my adversary. And he would not for a while, but afterward he said within himself, Though I do not fear God nor regard man, yet because this widow troubles me I will avenge her, lest by her continual coming she weary me. Then the Lord said, Hear what the unjust judge said. And shall God not avenge his own elect who cry out day and night to him, though he bears long with them? I tell you that he will avenge them speedily. Nevertheless, when the Son of Man comes, will he really find faith on the earth? Luke 18 verses 1 to 8.
If they